At half of the press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I'm back again with another video. Well, another one here, I bring us straight over the United States of America because over there now go on normal at all. The United States has ceased issuing passports with a gender-neutral X option, the State Department said, following President Donald Trump's order limiting government recognition of transgender identity. My wisdom warriors, I never know so they did have gender-neutral passport. I never know that. Right. I tell them I find out. I tell them when US stop issuing it. Me find out. You can imagine that? I never know these things. What a way they did a develop, eh? What a way America was developing. No, sir. Hey, you not easy, you know? You not easy. I don't blame Trump. I don't blame Trump. Remove that backside. Them too much now. Them too much. Remove that backside. You see me, you see? Remove it, man. Me agree with Trump, you know. I totally 100% agree with Trump when it comes to this LGB business. Yeah, only two gender, the man say, male and female. Mighty God, hey, them something they are nastiness, you know. God know, them something they are nastiness, but I don't business with a man and a woman life. I don't business my people. Anything a boy want to do, I feel him business. Anything a woman want to do, I feel them business. But you see, when them start to bring all these things to kids, that's where me have to draw the line. I don't like those type of stuff. Just like how the health ministry, Christopher Tufton, did bring the app to the health ministry. Remember good, the parents then start ball out and say, no. They can't deal with this. Them plead and tell Christopher Tufton to remove the app. But even though Christopher Tufton never removed the app, he only suspend the app. He not remove it. He not remove it, you know. He not remove it. And look, when you look, you see a popular gear he have in the health ministry. I be them spokesperson for the youths. You can't imagine? My wisdom warriors, between me and Uno, you see when you see the health ministry, I use these gay people to come be their spokesman. Let me tell you no man, I style them under. True, because they can't bring it in one way, they might try the other way. Uno stay there. Uno just keep an eye on the pitney there. You understand? When they depend on their phone and stuff like that. Because remember, so they did release an app, you know. Remember, so they did release an app and lie. I make them feel say different things are going on the app. That time I be a bang around about LGB and all these things depend the app. And that was not right at all. That is totally wrong because the parents, they never know nothing about it. The parents, them, don't have a clue what was going on until they find out. No, sir. But anyway, my people, wanna tell me what you think about it and put your opinion in the comment section. Several schools in Spanish Town, St. Catherine, remain closed on Friday, but classes are being delivered online. This as a result of recent violent clashes involving the police, gunmen and residents, which shut down business activity in the old capital on Wednesday. Among the schools hosting online-only classes are Spanish Town Infant, Spanish Town Primary, Jonathan Grantai, Spanish Town High and St. Jago High in the heart of the capital. On the outskirts of the town center, the schools offering online-only classes are Ensom City Primary, Eltham High, Eltham Park Primary, Eltham Infant, Joe's Marty Technical, St. Catherine High, Innswood High, Treasure Park Primary, Windsor School of Special Education, and White Marie Primary School. Oh, sir. But uno no see what good on. Uno no see say the police they ain't gonna stop all of this. Uno no see say Babs Grange good on they go squash everything. No, sir. The only me know say the only persons we can squash these type of things are must the leader, I must the gang leader for the crew. Yeah, because if police can squash it, how she go and squash it? Just like that. How? Babs the Grange, let me tell you something, man. We not forget what happened in 2004. We not forget the things them, you know. We not forget the things them. We not forget the things them, and we're not idiot. We not come out and trick the people them about there is no more one order. And the people them believe, you know, some of them believe. Some of them believe because the labor right them know so that was all a lie. Hey, labor right know only, you know, that's why them out here and defend uno all the time. The labor right them know how uno stay. That's why them out here and defend uno all the time. Uno think so uno can trick people? Every day we hear uno lock up clangsman, and we don't hear nothing about one other. We are wonder what go on. My wisdom warriors, here where Andrew Holness have to say. Prime Minister Andrew Holness is appealing to law-abiding citizens in Spanish Town, St. Catherine, to not support gangs that have been wreaking havoc on the town. Wanna hear what you say? To not support gangs. So how you miss out the politician them, including for himself? Because it is alleged Uno give the youth them gun and not hide. There's allegations out there. Even the youth them come out and talk and hide them face and talk about it. So what are you saying? It is alleged that Uno they behind the whole of this. It is alleged. You understand me? Come out here and you talk these things. So how you not talk about wait there. Babs the Grange go down they go squash everything. Which the police them couldn't squash. How we not hear nothing? How we not hear you say nothing about Babs the Grange? My wisdom warriors, yeah, man. You see the way them stay? A whole heap of innocent people dead. I mean, I hear Andrew Holness come out and say nothing. I hear Andrew Holness come out and say anything. Horace Shanks say shoot to kill. You see the whole of are the same damn thing. The whole of you. You remember when Everall Warmington come out and say him, the gang leader, over for him, constituency? Believe him. Believe in my wisdom warrior. So when you say Babs the Grange go down there and squash, you read between the lines. You hear me? Read between the lines. A people are not fool, boy. You can fool some, but not everybody.
Bless up on yourself, man. Talk your mind at top of the press. Big up on yourself. Big up all of my freedom fighter them, man. Yeah, man. And all of my warrior them. Big up my field marshal, general. You know, see it. Prime Minister. Marky G. Golden, man. Big up yourself, man. You see me? And big up all of my peace keeper them in a Jamaica, man. Stand firm, comrade. But Rasta, the whole of we know, you know, that Babs the Grange, you know, always involved, you know, with some criminal, you know, in a constituency, you know, man. I can tell you that, you know. Member from the great Milo coming down, you know. So, you see, enough of them youth right now, them understand themselves. We are defend labor right. And no say I just use them until after a while and kill them. Can you check from Milo coming right back down how much done have been tragically dead in a Babs the Grange era. As in done them. He use them for a while. And when he get tired of them, he just brush them away. Because if one at a time, you know, me that one day, you know, if him did keep some of them down there, you know, told me used to see them a profile, you know, when me young, you know. You see me? Because I must keep some of them down there, you know, bingy man. You see what I say? So Babs the Grange is nobody, you know. She get a little space and get pushed up in her politics through certain special favor. You see me? Yeah. And cause chaos in a Jamaica. You see me? Against youth and youth. Make them murder them one another. You see what I say? So I want the youth them to know that this one other, you see me, come from Siaga time. One Dan Siaga used to call himself and Babs the Grange take side with him so them farm a gang. And enough of the man they run away from Tivoli Garden and run away from certain labor rights, Southie and all them place there. You see me? Denham Town, Rima, and run away go Spanish Town because 2 PMP did depend on trail. You see me? We get rid of them out of the, because them was a new stand. So them run away and go Spanish Town and then go farm the one other gang out there. You see me? Enough man know about it too. This is what I say. Because if Babs Green I go say that him never know thick man. Oh, you know if you know thick man, Babs Green. Oh, you know if you know all the detail and a few year and him a few done. You see me? Where him I keep the people you must see it, restrict. That's the always a vote for you and you don't know him. You think Jamaica can fool now? This is the time of information. You talk mine and not half of the press tell you. Yeah, the portal open. You see me? And the ancestor them are flow through now and a deal with us now. So we are sittings. We know man. You see me? Thick man get too powerful for you. So you give him up. Yeah. You give him up. Remember, I see the boy, them, we set up everything for no time I come. Yeah, Babs Green promise on a leader. No blood clot I go dead just like Dick man too. Because we don't listen to what Asha 11 say. We don't take one yourself from them now. Left them pan their own. Make them win them one election pan their own. You see me? Because they can't do it out, you know. Remember me tell you now. You know, be wise up now, youth. Don't make politicians take on and use now again. One love. Stand firm. You know, see it. PMP know where they are going. Marky G goal in our next prime minister. Know where he go. You see me? Yeah, man. So we have to stand firm with him. Blessed love.
So my people wanna hear where Asha 11 say, wanna tell me what you think about that. Put your honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Big up on a nice clean self. One love.